Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you're a lover of timeless charm and cozy corners, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into vintage home styling, the best color, texture, and furniture tips. From soft pastels to retro lighting and everything in between, I'll be sharing 10 beautiful ways to bring vintage warmth into your home. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's explore how to turn your space into a nostalgic retreat filled with character and charm. Soft pastel tones like dusty pink, mint green, and baby blue create a dreamy vintage vibe. These hues reflect natural light and evoke a calming, nostalgic feel. Use them on your walls, curtains, or even smaller pieces like lampshades to subtly brighten up your space. Combine these colors with white or cream accents to keep the palette cohesive. Floral wallpaper, lace curtains, and painted wooden furniture in matching tones will help tie everything together. This color approach brings elegance and tranquility to any vintage-styled room. Antique wooden furniture brings instant character to any vintage space. Look for pieces with ornate carvings, curved legs, or distressed finishes. A sturdy old dresser or a classic coffee table adds both charm and functionality to your home. Pairing wood furniture with softer elements balances the look. Consider setting a lace doily atop a dark wood table or layering vintage books to enhance the aesthetic. These pieces tell stories and bring soul to your interior design. Floral prints are a signature of vintage style. Whether on wallpaper, upholstery, or throw pillows, they add warmth and femininity. Choose muted rose patterns or dainty lavender sprigs to maintain an elegant old-world feel without overwhelming the space. For best results, mix florals with simple backgrounds. Pair floral cushions with neutral-toned sofas, or balance a patterned wallpaper with plain curtains. This creates a charming yet harmonious environment that feels soft, sweet, and timeless. Vintage homes embrace rich textures like velvet, lace, and crochet. These fabrics bring depth and a tactile charm that instantly warms a space. Add velvet cushions, embroidered throws, or lace curtains to enhance the room's visual interest. Layering is key to mastering vintage texture. Mix smooth and rough fabrics, shiny and matte, to create contrast. A linen couch with a crochet throw or a wooden chair draped in velvet can transform even the simplest space into a cozy vintage nook. Retro lighting is both functional and decorative. Think brass floor lamps, frosted glass sconces, or chandeliers with crystal accents. These lighting pieces help anchor your vintage aesthetic and often become conversation starters. Use warm-toned bulbs for a golden glow that complements the retro charm. Place lamps strategically near reading corners or vintage wall art to highlight their beauty. Lighting can completely shift the ambience of a room when chosen thoughtfully. Distressed furniture pieces capture the essence of aged beauty. Scratches, faded paint, or worn-out edges tell a story and add authenticity. Consider a whitewashed cabinet or a chipped mirror frame to give your room that time-worn charm. You can DIY distress a piece or hunt for treasures at flea markets. Pair them with clean, modern touches to avoid a cluttered feel. It's all about balance. celebrating imperfections while keeping the space curated and cozy. Framed vintage posters, botanical illustrations, or classic oil paintings bring sophistication and narrative to your space. These pieces are perfect for gallery walls or as focal points above mantels and beds. Mix and match frame styles for a collected overtime look. Wooden, gilded, or even distressed metal frames help accentuate the vintage feel. Art connects the past to the present and it gives personality to your walls. A large, ornate mirror can open up a vintage room beautifully. Whether it's gold-leafed, carved wood, or Art Deco in style, mirrors enhance natural light and serve as stunning visual elements. Hang one over a fireplace, entryway console, or above a vanity. Mirrors add elegance and a sense of space, especially in smaller rooms. Their timeless appeal makes them one of the most versatile vintage decor choices. Vintage style thrives on individuality. Don't be afraid to mix furniture from different eras. A mid-century chair beside a Victorian table creates visual interest and reflects your personal taste. The key is cohesion through color or material. If styles vary, make sure tones or textures relate. This mix and match approach makes your space feel layered and collected, rather than overly staged. There's nothing like decorating with pieces that have history. Heirloom furniture, vintage suitcases, or old typewriters add soul to your decor. These items make your home feel storied and meaningful. Don't hesitate to visit flea markets or thrift stores. Sometimes, the quirkiest, most unexpected items become your favorites. Each find adds a layer of charm and uniqueness that can't be replicated with mass-produced decor. And there you have it, 10 simple yet stunning ways to style your home with vintage flair. Which one was your favorite? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss out on more vintage inspiration from Vintage Nook. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cozy and creative.